Hey guys, Phoenix One here. Today I'm gonna show you a knife I'm gonna be adding to my EDC. It's a Victorinox Compact. I have been wanting to get one of these for a long time, and I actually got it a few months ago, but I just hadn't cleaned it. Let me show you the tools. It's got the scissors, got the main blade, combo tool, wire stripper, bottle opener, can opener, and screwdriver. And it's got a corkscrew, and a parcel hook with a nail file in the back. It's also got the tweezers, toothpicks missing, I'm ordering a new one, and a pen. I really like this knife, and I just gave it a little polish, nothing much, just a little polish. And I used Studio Wax polishing compound with a little towel. Alright guys, thanks for watching.